This is my first ride with another dual sport rider, and I think there's a little bit of a surprise. Oh, shit. For the delusionals out there that follow my channel. I think we're all delusional, but you guys know who you are. Oh yeah, there it is. Is that a KLR?
That's a KLR.
That's awesome. Are you a delusional? What year is it?
That one, oh wait.
Nice. So is this the Gen 1 or Gen 2? Yeah?
Here are the two.
That's a pretty quiet bike too. Every great trail ride begins with a ride along train tracks. This shale rock, or whatever you call it, is like riding on ice. And if you make a move, you're going down there, which is pretty far. This is pretty cool.
Doesn't look like the trails have been used much.
No, shit no.
I hope it don't get too muddy.
No, it might. We've had enough rain. What's down there?
It just gets steep. When you get back up over there where you have to get out, it might be a fucking real hit.
For that.
I don't want to get stuck.
Yeah, that's right.
We'll go down the other.
Okay. Whee! Oh yeah, here we go. Little track. Your typical sand pit riding away. Gotta be on your toes the whole time. Oh, this is kind of cool. Shit. Good job. Really thought it was going to be muddier than this back here, but it's not too bad. I guess the gravel will help drain that all out. I've never ever been back in here. I can't even believe years ago with my bikes I've never ridden in this spot. Scratching up the new visor day one. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, she hasn't been ridden in here much, I don't think. It's freaking grown in like crazy. Should come in here with a pair of clippers and just snip away. Whee! Oh, this is cool. Total sand bomb. Oh yeah. I'm surprised it's as dry as it is. It's soaking in.
So much water, eh? It's all insane.
Yeah.
This might be interesting.
Okay, let's see it. Oh, wow. Stream down there. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Love it. Oh shit. You need a hand? You got it? Fuck, that's a big bike to throw around like that. You got it. Oh. Jeez. I can't believe you picked that up. Yeah, this stuff wouldn't be fun on a big bike and those tires too, right?
That's heavy. This is fucking steel pipe here.
It is. You're not going over that. Ah, shit. That's where electric starts. Nice. Woo! Oh. I'll go grab your helmet. Yeah, that's not going over that. You were going. If there was no pipe there, you were up.
Yeah, as soon as you hit the steel, it just fucking...
Yeah. Take the low road. Whoa, fuck. When I'm pivoting there, I'm sticking my foot out just to stab the ground, and then I'm back up. I don't want to get caught with a leg out between anything in those rough spot sections and my foot peg. Little tip, you just stab the ground and go and release. Cool. Yeah, this is my kind of riding right in here. Love it. Yeah, right here. Yeah, this is a river here. This is cool. That would be the Nith. I don't have enough KLR650 on my channel, so here it is, boys. You're not taking a swim today?
I just want to see what it's...
Yeah.
If it comes out into something, if not, we'll just go back.
Yeah. Yeah, no shit. Yeah. And that's when you're young and stupid too. Yeah, now you have to go to work tomorrow.
You can put your foot down and stop one of those from falling. That's
yeah. Is it top heavy or does it feel balanced? Like
it's not too bad. It's just that heavy bike too.
Yeah.
It's like 2 motocrosses.
Is it?
Yeah, it's 400 and some pounds.
Wow. Yeah, we'll switch on the roads on the way back. I want to rip it.
Yeah, it's a nice bike on the road.
Yeah, I bet.
For a 650 single, I mean. We went on that trip, no problem. We were riding 120 a lot of the times on the Trans-Canada.
Isn't that awesome? Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck, I picked it up. This is my 3rd year with it.
Yeah, I was saying I'd love to do that. What you did last weekend, camping on it, would be awesome.
It's fun.
Yeah.
We had a lot of fun.
That you probably watch Mason ADV on YouTube. He's from Ottawa, and he went from Ottawa to Huntsville, camped up at Oxtongue Park or whatever, and then rode back to Ottawa. It's pretty awesome. There's about 5 or 6 videos in the series, but there's 2 or 3 guys on big bikes like that, like KLR650. I think one was a Beamer maybe, and then there's a guy on an XL250, and he's a motocross rider, bagged right up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's see if I can get out of here in one piece. Good job. It's pretty groovy back here, literally. Whee! Thing has a spot where you get like friggin' a clutch that just claws, like it's awesome. Imagine if you knew how to ride. Woohoo! You could really get this thing to light up. So you can cross the river here.
That looks like trouble.
Yeah. No, that looks like it might be doable. You go first. This is awesome.
Yeah, it's not bad, eh?
I love it.
Let's add a fucking little bit later.
Well, there you go, Scratch Babble. I've got some KLR650 on my channel. We'll go through here. The hell porter, right? See ya. Woo! If you're gonna pass somebody, it's gonna be in the worst spot. So I still haven't got any after pictures of this thing clean, so sorry, Andy. I'm back out with the toothbrush when I get home. I gotta say, Al can really freaking throw that thing around. Yeah, this is where I came down. Sunday morning, man, she woke up fighting mad, bitching on and on and on by the time we had. And by Tuesday, you could say that girl was good as gone. Thursday rolled around, I was all alone. So I went for a ride to ease my mind on a KLR and a DT200r. I might have stripped off some hardware off my helmet. Hopefully you guys are still with us. No, I think these mirrors have paid for themselves today. Really, I haven't adjusted them that much. You know, like my other mirrors would have spun right off, I think. It looks awesome. Yeah, this is fucking awesome. My kind of riding. Mighty DT200r.
You can go check it out. It looks like it turns a bit swampy.
Okay.
I'll go have a look.
Okay. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's shit down here. It started out not bad, but it gets worse.
Yeah.
It's not good for either of us back in there, I think. Yeah, that's nasty mud. You can see the ATVs are having some struggle in there. I gotta get George out here. And Dan with their quads. They'd have a hoot. This is awesome, and you don't even feel the heat of the day because it's so shaded in here. Ooh, I got a little butt tap, love tap on my butt from my seat. Oh yeah, this is awesome. This is steep, boys. You're not going to see it on the camera, but it's freaking steep. I like how cautious he is and how well thought out he is and he takes to the trails. Like, actually thinks about what he's doing. Oh, this is awesome. Might have an issue with that part on the big pig. Good. I can walk that thing up there. That's steep. That's awesome. Oh yeah. That's not bad at all. Bad at all. Does it just end? Real single track. Yeah, if you hear me beep, it's okay. If not, I'll turn around. Awesome. That's how we do it. Ay, 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 ay. It survived. Mighty KLR. Love it. It's very capable in the trails there. I'm impressed.